The quote for our post today is, "For all those who say beauty isn't skin deep, I would like to say, but it shows on your skin." So we're gonna jump right into Premiere Pro, and I've already brought in this group of images or B-roll, and I decided that I would use these two here. This one here is a nice picture, and it goes in for a close-up. Has the light in the sun above the hair. And this one, strikingly, could actually be the same person. Problem is, this is a post that I created. I love the confidence makeup gives me, and I'd like to use this, but I don't want to have to fight with the text that I have in screen. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this particular post. It is in here somewhere. The confidence makeup gives me. And that project file is right here. Now that it's finished exporting, we're just going to minimize it. I'm going to leave it open. Now, this particular one here, we're just going to delete it. Jump back in our folder here, 3D no text, and we're going to bring it in. Now we don't have to compete with that text. Okay, I'm using these to be stretched a little. And there you have it. We've taken two simple clips. We've added our box and our text here. transition or music, one sound effect down at the bottom, text here. We added a light leak transition here. We have light leaks going from one clip to the next, and on the very top of that we have some little dust particles, and that's it. That's all we have in this post build. This post is complete. If you like it, it will be available to download on the website. That's www.socialcreationsbyderry.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.